Hey everybody, this is Jed Taufer with White House Custom Color, and today we're going to talk a little bit about sizing for gallery wraps. This is just a quick little video to go over how we like to have our gallery wraps when you send them in prepped for us and sized correctly. So I'm going to open up an image here, and you'll notice that I can go in and crop it. Let's say I want a 16 by 20, right? Well, for an 1.5 inch gallery wrap, I'm going to want 2 inches all the way around the sides and the top, right? So that means I'm going to add 4 inches. So instead of a 20 inch, I'm going to have 24 width, and instead of 16 high, I'm going to have 20 high. Now that's going to give me a 16 by 20 inch gallery wrap, even though it's cropped to 20 by 24, because again, I've added 2 inches all the way around the side, which is essentially adding 4 inches to the width and the height. If I do that, and this is one of the things that I like to do after I do this, here's this image. If I do that and I bring in my guides 2 inches all the way around, it'll give me an idea of what the wrap is going to look like, what's getting wrapped and what is actually going to show on the face of the image. So that's what I like to do, is I bring these guides in 2 inches from the sides. Now, if it doesn't work out this easily and you don't have the space around your image to create something like this, we have another video that you can actually check out that goes into different options on what you can do to actually extend the sides, or we even have a free action that you can grab to do it for you. This is for an 1.5 inch gallery wrap. We also have 2.5 inches, and that depth is going to mean that you're going to need to put 3 inches all the way around, which means you're going to add 6 inches to the width and the height when you crop it. So keep that in mind if you want a 2.5 inch gallery wrap too. Thanks for watching.